going to show you how to create a graph in Microsoft Excel for your fitness project. Start in cell A2 and type the following words in. If you find that the words are running over into the next column, come up to the top. Between the two letters, you'll find a double-headed arrow. You can either click and drag, or you can double-click to resize. Now enter your scores, your fitness scores in. When entering the mile, enter it as a decimal point. So 8-minute and 20-second mile would be 8.20. You may need to reformat your mile time. If you do, right-click on the cell, Format Cells, click Number, select 2 for decimal places, and click Enter. Now enter the scores that your teacher had given you for Keith Valley Average, Fitness Gram Low, and Fitness Gram High. Alright, now we're going to start creating our graph. We're going to select everything from A1 to A5 and then over to E5, only selecting the areas that have the information. Do not select any other extra cells. Make sure there's no cells between the cells you have information in. Go to the Insert tab, select Column, and the first 3D column works very well. Now you have a small chart. We're going to make that chart bigger. So go up to Move Chart, select New Sheet, and OK. You look at your chart, we want to see this information here along the bottom of the chart. So if you don't see push-ups, sit-ups, mile, and sit and reach, you're going to want to come up to Switch Row Column in the Design ribbon. Click it, and now you have your information the way it needs to be. We're going to add our titles and our axis titles now. Come up to Chart Layouts, click the bottom arrow. You're going to select Layout 9. If you hover over it, you'll see it says Layout 9. Add your chart title. Your chart title is your first name and last name, apostrophe S, fitness profile. Your axis title on the side of the chart will be scores. And your axis title on the bottom of the chart is fitness assessments. Now we're going to add data labels. Come up to the Layout menu, go to Data Labels button, and turn it on. Hit Show. Now you'll see numbers that pop up above each of the bar graphs. Make sure that all these numbers are visible. If they're not, you can click on them and you can drag them to where they will be visible. The last part of the project is to add some clip art. So we'll go back to the Insert menu and select the Clip Art button, and a little window will pop up to the side. You can just select 2 fitness-related clip art pictures. So type in your topic. When you find a picture you like, you're going to right-click, select Copy, come over to the white area of the graph, Right click again and select paste. Pull that picture in anywhere in the graph you'd like. Make sure it's not covering any information or any bar graphs. I'm going to search for my second picture and copy and paste it the same way I did with the first. Now your chart is completed. All you have to do from here is save it to your Z drive. If you'd like to add additional things to it, you may. A few things you can do is you can change the color of each individual bar graph. So you select it. Again, if you select and click that red once, it's going to select all 4 of the red bars. Right click, Format Data Series, and select Fill. Solid Fill, and then choose the color you'd like to use. And click Close. Something else you can do, go back to that same menu, Fill, and this time select Picture or Texture Fill, Clip Art, search for your picture, select OK. If you play with these options, find which one you like, and click Close. Please make sure to check your rubric before turning in your final copy, and check to make sure everything is spelled correctly and everything is capitalized.